So are you serious about learning audio and video editing? Then this channel is your ultimate guide. My name is Vinay and I am a DJ, music producer, sound engineer and a tutor. In this channel, I am going to show you the most easiest and simple way, step by step, to learn electronic music production and professional video editing. So let's jump in. In this video, we are going to see the history of audio and how did it started. Analog recording. Previously, they used to record on 16-track 2-inch magnetic tape, which even went to 24-track 2-inch magnetic tape, which we call analog audio recording. Then we had those multi-track cassette tape, which had the recording options too. Most of the modern recording studios used to have those 24-track machines with large consoles from 24 channels to over 100 channels. There are few studios who still record with this process. Then came the advancement with the digital recording, which started from compact disc as CD, which was started by Sony and Philips in 1982. Having high quality audio that was 16-bit 44.1 kilohertz. Then came ADAT, which was developed by Alesis in 1991, which was a revolution for home studios. Then you had this DAT, which was developed by Tascam in 1993, where even computer-based digital recording was advancing, which was a sample editing platform called digital sampling. Then they came up with the recording software called Pro Tools, which started in 1991, with tracking, editing, mixing, which is still being used in professional studios. Then came computer-based MIDI recording called Performer by Motu, Mark of the Unicorn, in 1985. Performer was a MIDI sequencer which was used to control synthesizers, which was synced with the multi-track analog tape, started in software like Cakewalk, Logic, Cubase. So today everything is done in a box. Tracking, editing, mixing, mastering means a complete project in one program. To name the few like Pro Tools, Logic, Reason, Cubase, Sonar, Ableton, FL Studio and digital recording, which is supported on a Mac or a PC. So that's all for today. Hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.